Okay, we'll have a Mercedes CDI diesel with a loss of power, and I'm going to show you what I heard and what my diagnosis was soon after. I hope it's audible what the problem is. Okay. Now, this is just that's a bit of clear. Done 300,000, and I heard the noise that you hopefully just heard before when you drove up my driveway, and I said, if it is what I think it is, you'll have an underboost code. I will explore that in a second. Hang on. Right. Ayak. We'll show you. This is basically OBD2 with your one hung low tools, whatever cheap tools. You're gonna get only into this room. OBD is emission only. This is EOBD, OBD, it's the same bullshit. It's just for emissions. I'll show you. There's nothing found. You'll not find anything with a OBD2 tool. Not on a diesel Mercedes anyway. Even though this is actually emission related, but diesel are only from 2007 onwards spitting any form of codes out on the emission side. Like my Passat is having about 3 items, it probably. Readiness and stuff. I'm only gonna find one. KPW probably. Nope, but it's the last one. Match. No status off. No, nothing. Okay. Readiness, live, fault, clear fault. Well, there is nothing to clear. There is actually. But with this one hung low and OBD2 tools, you're not going to clear any factory codes. Where are we? Read fault codes. Now we can even go bends. Read current. No fault codes. Read pending. No fault codes. This is basically what you get with any OBD2 tool. It's why you have to buy thousands of dollars worth of equipment and not just $10 worth of a one hang low tool. You go out. This is useless as always. Really quit. European. I've got the Benz software. This is my software. If you have the Pro version of Launch, I'm using 48.11. There's probably a newer version, but I haven't paid for it yet, so I still can use the old. This is a 2003, I believe, so it should be well covered. Whatever launch will do. If you want full coverage, DAS Sentry is the only one, and it's 25 grand euro, so no, not gonna happen. Maybe a pirate version one day. Yeah, we gotta do a manual select because I know it's not gonna find it. C 203, where are we? C class up to 2000, up to 2003. Whoops, don't know which one I got now. Should have shut it off, can't shut it off now. Sedan, diesel, right hand steer, 270 CDI, that's what it is. Control units, I know drive, ECM, okay. I'm going straight where it is, like there's no other codes, read fault codes. Here we go. Low single electric heater motor, implausible. Well, that was faulty before he put a second one in from a wreck. I told him not to. Electric heater open, these are the same codes. Glow plug failure. There's another issue. I think there's a faulty fuel injector which causes that glow plug to die. But here, charge pressure control, positive control variation, charge pressure is too low. Exactly what I said, the code will find, if it is the problem. And the problem is, the intercooler has blown out again. I don't know if they are making poor intercoolers, or if it's his driving style, or if that's the sickness of these intercoolers on these. There may be another video, maybe not. Probably make one when we compare. A quick one, who knows. Okay. That's it, it needs another intercooler. The hoses seem to be fine, but it's losing pressure. Thank you.